You will be fine. Today we will study about the if-else statement in C language. Now, this statement is used to perform some specific operations, so we can say that it is used to perform the operations based on some specific condition. A specific condition means the condition based on true or false. Now, in this statement, blocks are executed if and only if the given condition is true. Now the if else statement consists of various types. Now the familiar types we have to use is, first we have if statement, next we have if else statement, next we have if else if ladder. In this ladder we use different statements based on the relationship, and at last we can say that we have nested if. Now we will describe each statement one by one. First, if statement. If statement is used to check some given condition and perform some operation based on the correctness of that condition. Now its syntax is given by if expression and statement. Now let us see a program to find out whether a number is even or odd. So here we have to use the if condition. We have a main function. Inside the main function I am writing only the pseudo code, that is, if number percentile to equal to 0, then it is a even number, and after that you can print that even number. So this is only the pseudo code that I have written here. You can write the full program. Now if else statement. Now in this we have a single statement what we can perform two operations. For example, if the condition is true, you can choose the condition 1, and if it is false we can go for another statement. So let us take an example of this. Its syntax is given by if expression statement 1 else statement 2. Now let us see a program and find out the number is even or odd with the help of if else statement. So the pseudocode is given by, we have a main function. Inside the main function take a number equal to 0, printf enter any number, scanf percentile d address of number. If number percentile 2 equal to 0, printf percentile d is even number, else printf percentile d is odd number. So you have seen here we have used on these statement. If condition is true, then this statement is executed, and if the condition is false, this statement is executed. So this is the if else statement. Now we have another variant of if else statement, that is known as if else ladder. In this, the various statements are linked together. Now as the flowchart is given here, in this we have seen if the condition is true, statement 1 is executed. If the condition is false, statement 2 is executed. And this is the syntax of if else statement, and this is the program to find out a given number is even or odd. In the next lecture we will study about the if else ladder. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.